All right. So thank you so much, Dr. Soumya, for being on the show today. And this is very relevant that we are doing, which is Surakshit Office Papsi series. Yeah.
No, I'm just loving the way that things are moving, and thank you for having me over, Diksha.
Thank you.
Looking forward to the interaction here.
Thank you. Perfect. Let's move to the first question, Dr. Soumya. What do you think? आपके नजरिए में क्या है कि what's happening right now when we talk about second wave हो चुकी है तो employees अभी क्या स्थिति है companies की organization की employees की over to you.
मानसिक स्थिति तो दोनों की बड़ी डावाडोल है, फाइनेंशियल स्थिति भी उतनी ही डावाडोल है. सो वेल बिकॉज मैं एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ, तो मैं ये बहुत दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ that it has hit really hard the manufacturing sector, especially people who come from, you know, the assembly line kind of business, because we cannot afford to have a work from home. Especially if I'm coming from gems and jewelry, ये तो नहीं हो सकेगा कि मैं किसी को छोटा सा थोड़े से हीरे एंड थोड़ा सा गोल्ड उनके घर पे दे दूं और बोलो भाई बना के मुझे दे दें आप. तो ये चीज हमारे लिए नहीं वर्क करती है. But जिनके लिए, for whoever it worked, it is doing wonderfully well. For people who are in the consultancy space, people who are in the space of, you know, IT, that part, they were already used to doing some of it work from home as is, and their systems were geared for this. Our systems were not. This was a jolt from the blue for all of us, and we were caught off guard. So at the moment, it is all about, you know, bringing them in a very safe environment, telling them all is good. And thankfully, the pay cuts have been reinstated. So that's about it, that we're just giving them a safe space to be in when they are coming back. And now with the vaccinations already done for all our employees, the blue and the white collar, I guess now they feel a lot safer, the families feel a lot safer. So it is back to work, and we're ready to face a bigger, brighter tomorrow.
All right, awesome, great. So Soumya, you also talked about, like, we had a mutual discussion prior to the podcast. You said that you want to talk about mental health, the wellness. So let me know, like, employees के मानसिक और employer भी, तो we are all human. It's nothing like employees are human and employers not human. ऐसा तो नहीं है. सभी इंसान है, सभी के मानसिक एक तनाव हो गया है. When we talk about this COVID situation, 1.5 साल से घर में रहना, it's not a very big satisfaction level, right? So उस wellness पे अगर आप बात करें तो आप थोड़ा सा उस पे बताइए कि what impact or what trauma that we are facing right now and how can we overcome those? Over to you.
कि हमने सोचा जैसे ही वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो रहा है तो हम 9 बजे सुबह उठते हैं, 10 बजे का ऑफिस है, नाश्ता वाश्ता करेंगे, फ्रेशन अप होंगे और आराम से बैठेंगे. भाई आई कैन वर्क इन माय पिजामाज, नो नीड टू ड्रेस अप, कोई जरूरत नहीं है कुछ भी, यू नो, मेकअप शेकअप करने की. हाउएवर व्हाट हैपेंड वाज एकदम इसका उल्टा हो गया. आपने डीजल पेट्रोल के पैसे बचा लिए, आपने ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट जिसे बोलते हैं, आपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट बचा ली, आपने सारी चीजें कर ली. But at the end of the day, आप 9:30, 10, 11:30 बजे रात तक के काम कर रहे हैं. किसी ने ये नहीं समझा कि ये होगा. बिस्तर ही ऑफिस बन गया था. जब ये होता है, when your professional life actually encroached your personal space, conflicts are bound to happen. And this is where conflicts started happening. सबकी स्पेसेस कट होती गई. तो अब जब ये स्थिति आ गई तो इतना प्रेशर आ गया कि उनकी मानसिक स्थिति अब पहले जैसे नहीं रह गई. तो contrary to what McKinsey's and Deloitte's are saying कि you know, productivity of the employees have increased, no, not at all. I do not see that being the truth for the industry like us. It may have happened for a few, but definitely it is an eyesore for many of us who are really struggling to even come to terms with this disarray. You know, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हम नॉर्थ पोल में पहुंच गए जहां कभी शाम ही नहीं होती है, रात ही नहीं होती है, हम पूरे दिन में रहते हैं, हम सोए कम. ये इस तरीके की एक स्थिति हो गई है. So back to you, Diksha.
Thank you so much. I was actually in a in a state where I wanted to hear more from you. But due to time constraint, I need to go back to the next question. All right. So सौम्या जी आपने काफी हमें उम्दा तरीके से बताया कि घर में जगह ना होने से हम लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे रात दिन का डिफरेंस एंड वी आर एक्चुअली ओवर वर्किंग. इवन ऑफिस में हमारे पास 9 से 10 घंटे मैक्स आप 11 घंटे करते हो, पर घर में हम लोग 15 से 16 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं, मे बी मोर देन दैट इफ रिक्वायर्ड. सो यहाँ पे when we talking about women, right? वुमेन के लिए वैसे भी वर्किंग वुमेन बाहर जाती थी, काम करके घर में आती थी, थोड़ा बच्चों को देखती थी, अगर वो सेल्फ अलग है, सिंगल है, तो वो अपने कुछ होमवर्क या हॉबीज करके बैक टू ऑफिस नेक्स्ट डे. But right now, when we're talking work from home, what are the challenges, especially working women, are facing? Over to you, Dr. Samir.
Well, to me, a professional is a professional irrespective of the gender. So expectations, अगर हम ये बात करते हैं कि भाई हमें equal pay चाहिए, हमको ये चाहिए, तो भाई this is the walk of fire that we all have to walk. Coming back to the societal premise and the way that the society is geared up, well, a working woman also needs to still keep up with the rhythm, but now I think the men of today are more in tune and in sync with what the lady of the house is giving back. So I think कि जब जनाब घर पे होते हैं तो शायद ये बहुत कम हो जाता है कि सुनो जरा चाय देना, बिकॉज अब ये हो जा रहा है कि वाइफ भी बोल रही है सुनिए जरा आज चाय आपके हाथ से हो जाए. So these are the difference and the dynamics that have come into play. So working women के लिए it is good as well as it's both with a pinch of salt and a lot of sweetness there. We're seeing more of each other. There are certain families which were crumbling down, which got together back because of the time that this particular pandemic gave. For me personally, it was a very, very I wouldn't say that the pandemic was good, but this time that we spent at home was something that where we refreshed our ties. हमारे बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं. My daughter was in the hostel, but owing to the pandemic, she was with us and we got our baby back. So this is something, wherein the emotional ties also, were in place again. So working women हो या men हो, problems same है सबके साथ, extended work hours में काम कर रहे हैं, but I think अब ये हो जा रहा है कि तुम तो ऑफिस में जाके मजे करते हो, मैं घर में पूरे दिन सड़ती हूँ, तो ये वाली लड़ाई अब खत्म हो रही है. I think because उन्हें भी पता चल रहा है कि ऑफिस में उनको कितना स्ट्रेस है, घर में कितना काम है. So I think it has created somewhere a deeper sense of understanding and respect for each other's portfolios and each other's work. Working women के साथ भी अब ये नहीं हो रहा है तुम्हें तो तैयार होके क्या है, तुम you are just in a menial kind of a job, तुम्हारे ऊपर इतनी responsibility थोड़ी ना है, you are the second breadwinner. Say no, I know, I respect, and I really appreciate what you bring to the table. So the conversations have turned, the respect has turned, and I think that is going in a very beautiful way now. Back to you,
I love this when you said it's not only women. Hence the reason I asked this question. I believe strongly that everybody is equal, every professional is equal. I love the point that you made कि कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि breadwinner दोनों हैं, and with respect आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा कि तुम घर में रह के क्या करती हो या whatever. So I love that point कि अब लोगों ने सबसे पहले फैमिली का महत्व समझा. अब बच्चे हमारे साथ है, पेरेंट्स हमारे साथ है, तो वी हैव उनको भी शिकवा नहीं रह जाएगा कि तुम मेरे को टाइम नहीं देते. तो गिला भी हम इस पूरे सिचुएशन में. तो अगर हम सही और पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में देखें तो काफी कुछ हमें सिखाया गया है वर्क फ्रॉम होम में. बट अगर हम कोलैबोरेशन बात करें, वेयर वी टॉक अबाउट ऑफिस, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं प्रोडक्टिविटी पे असर डालता है, जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से हमें बताया. वंडरफुल. डॉक्टर सौम्या, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. आप एज अ प्रोफेशनल कैसे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बताओगे कि क्या पॉलिसी प्रोसीजर्स उन्हें लेना चाहिए टू मेक श्योर सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी हो सके आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन? ओवर टू यू सौम्या.
Thank you so much. So the government has given us the leverage कि हम 15 जून 2020 से work चालू कर चुके थे with limited number of artisans and workforce in our place. So हमारे पास दो तरह के workforce हैं, the blue collar and the white collar. हमें ज्यादा चिंता blue collar की होती है because वो एक ऐसे तबके से आते हैं जहां पर उनका environment ही ऐसा होता है जहां awareness on safety, awareness on cleanliness, etc. is not there. So what happens during that time is that we have to start inculcating those kind of behavior pattern changes within them. So बहुत खूबसूरत सी चीज हुई कि भाई सबके पास मोबाइल फोन्स हैं एंड हमने उन्हें बताया कि भाई व्हाट्सएप अगर उसमें सिर्फ गाने और ढिंचैक पूजा टाइप ऑफ चीजें ही देखने की नहीं है, उसमें बहुत सारी दूसरी चीजें भी हैं जो आप देख सकते हैं. Whereas Dhinchak Pooja is doing an awesome job, and just love her energy. But the way that she comes across, and when people talk, there's something which glues them to this. But I tell them that it is not just for an entertainment, it is also for education. So we created small snippets, we created small talks, and we then flooded it on their mobile phones, जो वो अपने आराम से देखते थे. And also we started reassuring their families on that when you're sending your loved one to our premises, believe us, we love them as much as you, and we actually are taking good care of them by showing them all, the pictorial things that this is what is happening with them. So that's what we did. Second is when it comes to the policy changes, we did go in work from home because we were also left with no choice. However, we also tutored our managers how to manage remotely. No one was, equipped with that knowledge. Third is the use of technology. Gems and jewelry sector inherently does not need the technology in terms of the communication. We need technology in terms of robotics, etc., but not here. So that was a good, training model that we had to develop, and agility and adaptation towards all this. We reinvented ourselves. We refurbished ourselves. There was an overhauling of the entire system that took place. And here we are working. We actually surpassed our production ever, and our turnover was something that we had never achieved. So that we owe all to our blue collar and white collar artisans who walk to our premises and give us such great results. Back to you, Dika.
Thank you so much. It was lovely to know more about your sector, especially where you talked about blue collars. बिल्कुल बहुत जरूरी है, उनका काम आसान नहीं है. They are the front warriors who are taking the lead forward. They are the front people who work day and night to make things happen for you. And people like you who always appreciate us, और क्या चाहिए life में? Appreciation ही तो चाहिए, right? So thank you so much. Let's go forward. I really appreciate and I love the way you articulate. I love the way you make things simpler for viewers. That's what we need in our show. Perfect. So, Soumya ji, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Okay.
What is the one mantra, if you say, like if somebody is at home and they are at distress, what they should do?
Yeah, so we take employees, we take care of the employees at three levels: the physical, the mental or the emotional, and the financial. So when we talk about the physical health, at that point we have done all the RT-PCR, the antigen tests, whatever one can imagine, and also we've got them vaccinated. So that means that the first line of defense to combat the virus is there. We've also given them masks, sanitizers, the vitamins, Zincovit and the vitamin C, etc. Along with it, the Ayurvedic Kara that Ayush Ministry of Health recommends. So all that is being given workers when they sit on their table. The first thing that they have to take is they have to mandatorily take the Kara and not the tea in the morning. So that's something that has given them, it's like an immunity booster. So, and it has helped. Believe you me, we have a staff of 3,000 employees with us and only 7 COVID cases. And we were very lucky because all the preventives that we took, it really, really, assured that. Second is the emotional health that you were talking about. Now, when it comes to the emotional health, is HR, we decided, the HR department decided that we will be there on ground for each of our employees unconditionally. Believe you me, Diksha, we were getting calls at 2 a.m. in the night, people were getting depressed, people were getting scared. Especially during the second wave, the Delta variant, when it came and we saw loads of deaths, that was the time when it really unnerved a lot of people. Even people with the nerves of steel were, all over the place. We don't know what is going to happen. We don't know where it is going to hit us. Will I be the next victim? I'm traveling. What is going to be the state of my family? A normal sneeze and a normal cough would be taken with so much of, I think, precaution, and it was really scary. So we were there, we became their counselors, and also we had psychologists on board who were in touch with them. They were guiding, and like you have doctor on call, we had these psychologists on call. So that helped a lot. Third is the financial well-being. हमने ये भी देखा कि हम जैसे किसी के पगार बढ़ाते हैं, किसी की सैलरी इंक्रीज होती है, वो उतने ही ज्यादा खर्चे बढ़ा देता है. So we started telling them कि भाई, and especially in the blue collar worker, कि अगर आपने उनसे 200 रुपए बढ़ा दिए तो वो ये करता, अच्छा अब तो मैं भाई 2 बार दारू पी सकता हूँ. वो ये नहीं सोचेगा कि मैं उस चीज को संभाल के रखूं. तो ये हर एक वो उसके एंटरटेनमेंट के तरीके हैं. whether right or wrong, I am no judge of that, but I would say that we are tutoring them that this money is your hard-earned money. You need to protect it and keep some for the rainy day. And जब हम उन्हें ये समझाते हैं, वो क्योंकि हमें बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू करते हैं, they started understanding it and they respect it, a lot more. So that is what is also started happening. So this is where we're taking care of the employees at all the levels. Back to you, Diksha.
Thank you, Soumya. You have explained all these pointers beautifully, where you said financial उतना ही जरूरी है जितना health है, but health utmost priority, and then it comes finance. पैसे से क्या होगा? Right?
Correct.
Wonderful. So great, Soumya. अब बस last question की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Not more like question, but like an inspirational message. So what will be the message from you as a leader to everybody out there, our viewers who feel motivated and who feel that मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, but अगर I'll get some motivation, I'll be a motivation for other people as well. So over to you, Soumya. What's your final take on it?
Well, to all the leaders out there, all the people who are feeling dizzy, and all the people who are really worried, sick about what is next, I would say that remember, for every storm, there's always a Noah who built his ark very carefully. Choose what you want to carry forward. Put what you want to take with you, which is going to suffice your future. Leave everything which is not so important. So be the Noah, build that ark, and stay safe. That's all I'm going to say.
Awesome, Soumya. Thank you so much. You being so wonderful, so energetic. I love the energy that you bring into the show. And I'm sure my viewers and everybody out there will love you for your enthusiasm and positivity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Diksha. Thank you for having me here. Pleasure. See you. Stay safe.
Bye. Stay safe, Jai Hind. Bye.
Bye.